Now, the next attack is SC2, which is an escalation technique that will also allow us to move from a low privilege user that have enrollment rights to a domain admin. SC2 is very similar to SC1. The difference is that in SC1, we need client authentication EKU, and in SC2, we need the any-purpose EKU. The any-purpose EKU primarily allows an attacker to get a certificate for any purpose, like client authentication, server authentication, code signing, etc. And we are interested in the client authentication EKU. This way, we can downgrade SC2 to SC1. So let's do it. To not waste time, I have already created this template. I called it SC2 so we can identify it easily in the certify output. As you can see in the security tab, domain users can enroll for this certificate template. And if we go to extensions, in the application policies, we have any purpose. And also, don't forget that we have the enrollee supply subjects enabled, so we can request a certificate for any domain user. And the abuse is the same as SC1. Since we have any purpose EKU, means that we can use the certificate for any purpose. So certify, find. As you can see, we have SC2 template and the enrollee supply subject. And in the EKU, we got any purpose. It's tout object because my CMD is in French, but in English, it's any purpose. And also, domain users can enroll to the certificate template. So let's start by typing certify, request, because we are requesting a certificate, and then we specify the CA, and the template we want to abuse, then the alt name attribute so we can get a certificate of the administrator, and we specify the domain, which is bank.local. We have got the certificate. Let's convert it to a PFX format. And then we use Rebius to ask for a TGT using that certificate the same way we did before. Now we have got the TGT. Now we can get to the DC. Amazing.